Easy Tribe, this is Nurve and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a jump up drum and bass bassline. We're going to start things off by going to Oscillator A. We're going to go into the digital folder. We're going to select dist 8-bit thwap. And what we're going to do, we're going to search for a nice position on the wavetable which gives us some upper harmonics. Quite nice there. Then we're going to go to Oscillator B. I'm going to go to analog. And we're going to select mellow but unstable. So first thing we're going to do is bring the semitones up to 7, which will be a fifth. Then the octave is going to go up by 2. So we're just going to lower the volume level of Oscillator B. And just pull the wavetable position up slightly. Now we're going to go to the filter. I'm going to turn on the filter and select MG Low 18. This is only going to be affecting Oscillator A. I'm going to go to LFO 1 and we're going to select envelope mode. I'm just going to pull the cutoff here up on the filter. And we're going to bring the crosshair and pull it down a bit. And we're just going to bring the drive up a little bit on the filter and some resonance too. Then we're going to go to voicing. I'm going to turn the synth to monophonic, so we can only play one note at any given time. Then I'm going to apply some portamento, around 50 milliseconds, to give it a little bit of movement. Now we're going to go over to the effects. I'm going to turn on distortion. We're going to pull the drive all the way up to about 75%, then apply the same LFO crosshair to the drive, go all the way up with it. So it's starting to take shape now. Now we want to apply some hyperdimension, but after the distortion. We don't want too much of this. We mix up by like 10%. Pull the mix down here as well. Size down a bit. So we've just got a little bit of width on this sound. Now we're going to go back to oscillator. We're going to turn on the sub oscillator, but we're going to send it direct out, so it skips everything in the synth and goes directly to the master output. So it's clean and it's not compromised by any of the effects that we've applied or any of the filtering. I'm going to turn it on triangle. I'm going to take the octave down by 1, adjust the level, pull it up a bit, and then we're going to bring the octave down 1 on Oscillator A. And I have this drum loop and these MIDI notes that I've already keyed in for you, so that you should be able to get something like this. And that is how I would go about making a very popular jump up drum and bass bassline. Peace.